What's the meaning of adaptability? Adaptability. 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 Adaptability refers to an individual's ability to adjust to new situations, environments, and changes. It involves being flexible, resilient, and open-minded in the face of challenges, uncertainty, and unpredictability. Adaptability can result in a variety of outcomes, including increased creativity, improved problem-solving skills, better communication, stronger relationships, and higher levels of productivity. It enables individuals to respond effectively to changing circumstances and to thrive in dynamic and complex environments. By developing adaptability, people can enhance their personal and professional development and achieve greater success and fulfillment in their lives.